Welcome, here I've got SONY Xperia 1 and 2 and I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and as you can see we are in the standard photo mode, and let's focus on this button here. This is the button with aspect ratio, and we can pick from 4 and 3, 16 and 9 and 1 and 1 ratio here. So for now it's 4 and 3, when I change it to the 16 and 9 this is how it looks like. And the 1 and 1 is the square ratio, so this is how it works and this is how it changes here. We can do it also by the other way, by tapping on this button in the right corner. We get access to the advanced camera settings, and also here we have still image size, so by tapping on this we can see the ratios, and also we can see the megapixels, so the quality of the picture. This is connected. 4 and 3 ratio has 12 megapixels, 16 and 9 ratio has 9 megapixels, and 1 and 1 ratio also has 9 megapixels. So this is how it works here. Also here we can change it, and also we can do it by just one tap here. So this is how it works. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.